It's one of those nights. Putting on the coffee, closing up the door. I don't want this house to sing old lovers and old wars. Sweeping up the petals from the flowers that fell still on the floor. And there is no more, nothing but days on the pages and dust on the brows of the few who remain. This old house won't stand another rain. I tried to love you all through the changing of the seasons, and I tried to love you clean when you and I could find no reason. Then we tried to love in lies, your souls turned black like fighters' eyes, and lips that cried all love is treason. Every loving touch is blackmail. Every day we forced the chains, and every night we broke the nails. And this house absorbed the pain like a proud and ancient tree absorbed thunder. Stood the gale. There's no more laughing songs, there's no more gypsy dreams. Gone with the last taste of summer, born on a wild bird's dream. Gone with the harsh breath of winter, and gone like 1,000 things. And there is no more, nothing but old men and women and time-yellowed photos and cracked picture frames. This old house won't stand another rain. Well, this day goes by like other days with wings into the evening, and this storm cast in the river sends no ripples back to me as I go walking in the dark to ask the dying moon to leave my memories of years when we were strong and young and free. When tomorrow was a dream that only children's hearts can see. Today the walls will crumble in the rain that falls like fire and wash our future to the sea. And there is no more, nothing but echoes of footsteps, shadows of voices, and this cloudy refrain. This old house won't stand another rain. This old house won't stand another rain. This old house won't stand another rain.